Hello, my name is Veena Tamishetty. I am from Bangalore. I have completed my higher graduation from Allareddy Institute of Technology. What, while I am searching for the job, I have uploaded my resume in too many portals like Naukri, LinkedIn, and too many portals. But I didn't get I got a call, but I didn't get the job unfortunately. So. During that time I got a call from Deepthi. She's working as HR in a vision company, and she told they are providing the services and they are providing the full day job internship for people who are looking to join in networking or as a system engineer. So after attending her call, I I searched in Google what is that company and how they are providing, and little bit I got to know that Vision is a IT recruitment and manpower resourcing company, and they are providing full day job internship under the guidance of professional IT managers in real time who are having real time experience, and in Google I can see I have seen too many positive reviews they got placed in reputed companies like MNC um, Wipro, HCL, like that. Too many companies are there, and with a good package they got placed. So later on I decided to join in Evision. So I have taken the job internship from the Vision Techno Service Private Limited. Yes, they have scheduled my job internship with the different modules, and they are assigned different professional trainers for Windows administration, Rahul sir, for basic networking, Roshan sir, for interview sessions, Tarun sir was assigned, and for CCNA, Bobishwit sir, and for cyber security, Manu sir. Apart from technical skills, they also conducted one session for personality development. This is conducted by the Hema ma'am, and she took the classes how we need to attend the interviews and how to manage our behavior during the interview time. So that she has explained in a very good manner. And she took one mock interview also, and she evaluated our performance, and she has given good grade for me. And and at that time I got to know some mistakes, I can over so that I can overcome from those mistakes. Yes, like this they have scheduled my job internship. When it comes to basic networking, this is taken by Roshan sir. In that I have learned what is networking and what are the classifications of networking, and what is IP addressing. For IP addressing, which protocols we will use, and what are the protocols, and what are the port numbers of its protocols. um, Yes, and later on, what are the network devices? Then CSMA CD technology, and main topic is virtualizations. What is virtualizations? Where we use virtualizations, which software we will use, and what are the types of virtualizations, server virtualization, storage virtualization, desktop virtualizations. Like that, they have taken 2 weeks classes for basic networking, and then they schedule my next session is Windows administration, which was conducted by the Rahul sir. He in Windows administration, I learned how to boot our PC, how to boot our pen drive, and how to install OS from the bootable pen drive. So like that, the basic thing I have learned. Then I went for the VMware concepts, creating the virtual machines and installing the OS in the machines, and then how to share the files from one machine to one machine in workgroup model. Later on, our interesting topic is server, and he he provided the some notes about Windows Server 2012 R2, like basic requirements for the 2012 R2. And also I learned how to create the domain in server, how to join the domain from work group. Yeah, so and how to share the files from server to domain. So like that he took the classes. Then what are the types of printers, like local printers and network printers, how to share the printers. Then and also like some Windows troubleshooting, like BSOD screen issues, black screen issues, and system hanging issues. So like that he gave some procedure practically. So I went to through those steps. And yes, then later on, Outlook configurations, what is Outlook and how to create the Outlook, and how to create the PST file, what is PST file, and how to resolve if any incoming or outgoing mail is not working, and how to troubleshoot Outlook, and all the concepts like troubleshooting skills I have learned in Windows administration classes. And after Windows administration and basic networking classes, I thought like yes, I can crack the interview 60 to 70% without any disturbances. Like after Windows administration, I got to know yes, almost it's like a real time experience. Means they have told like they have told in a well manner those who are having real time experience. So later on, uh, my next session is Tarun sir's session, that is interview session. So and what maybe the interview questions will be asked in interviews. Those questions were defined by the Tarun sir, like how to install DNS server, how to install DHCP server, and what is Active Directory, how to what are the local users groups, everything. And local users groups, and the basic concepts like Active Directory and promoting the server to domain controller, which I learned in Windows administration, as well as he described in a detailed way in interview session classes by Tarun sir. So that after Tarun sir sessions, I felt like yes, I can crack the interview 99.99%, like that I can say I can crack the interview surely. Yes, after Tarun sir sessions, one more interesting topic is conducted by the Bibhushit sir, that is CCNA topic. In CCNA, it is switching and routing and cabling topics in a networking. And there I learned like what is IP addressing. But anyway, IP addressing is given by the Roshan sir, that is in a theoretical way but not in a practical way. But I learned practically in CCNA classes, like what is IP addressing, where we will assign those IPs, and why should we assign those IPs, and what is subnetting, what is CIDR concepts, and routing protocols also I have learned, like static routing, dynamic routing, like RAP, EIGRP, OSPF, HSRP. Those are the dynamic protocols I learned in CCNA session. Then like ACL concepts, WAN concepts, VLAN concepts, and cabling. What are the types of cables we have in networking, like fiber optic, coaxial cable, such type of cablings we have, and why we use, and its standards. Those things I have learned in CCNA. Then it's about CCNA session Latin. After all these modules, the Hema ma'am took the personality development. As I told you, she guided me like how to be the good human or good person in during the interview, and how to give answers for uncertain questions, so that she did in a good way. And yes, after attending the personality development, I got to know what are the mistakes, and how to overcome from those mistakes. Yes, this is about personality development, and they have taken cybersecurity classes also by Manu sir. And what is cybersecurity, and what is happening in cybersecurity, like hacking, and what are the types of hackers, and why the people shows too much interest on cybersecurity, like that. So many so in cybersecurity, uh, this is yes, um, about this is the cybersecurity. After attending all these modules, I got to know I can crack the interview by 100% surely, without any disturbances, without any irregularities. And the most thing, during all these modules or during all these sessions, I paid my full attention towards my course, so that I can say I have theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge, which I have seen in which I have done in throughout the sessions. And so that I can say I have real time experience. For example, I can say, like, Tharun sir told, like, how to create the basic concepts as a service desktop engineer is we need to create tickets, like that. I can say the basic example. For that, he took one ticketing tool from one ticketing tool, and how to create the ticketing tool in that tool. So but the ticketing tools might be different, but the process of creating the tickets, or providing the service to the users, or everything is same, but the tool is different. So that I can say I have some real time experience. It's equivalent to a real time experience. Yes, they are providing, so that evision is a good company, and they are providing good services to the students. And yes, this is about evision company, and I have what I have learned in evision company. Yes, it's a very good platform to build up our career. Yes, yes, thank you.